Salesforce has some huge advantages when it comes to AI, but lately they've been dropping the ball. And quite frankly, there are other CRMs that have really stepped up and done things Salesforce should have done. And the first one I want to talk about is HubSpot integrating their AI into their setup process, into their product. So we know that Salesforce has built up Agentforce, but with Agentforce, you got to do all this weird stuff. You have to set up all these things to set up, and you have to start with prompts. But all of that is really hard to do and to set up. Whereas in HubSpot, it was really simple. When you go and you create a new field, it was like, hey, here's a little dropdown. You see the dropdown, you type in the field that you want, and bam, you get that new field. They just integrated it into the product. It was so simple and easy to use, and I love it. I wish Salesforce would do something, just something even close to that, but unfortunately that's not it. And on our next use case, one of the things that's been in AI forever is automating customer support. And now Salesforce has tried to do some of this, but honestly, like if you want a better reinforced AI system that does customer support, probably gonna go along the lines of Intercom. Now Intercom, I don't necessarily recommend because it has lots of other features that are just inherently missing when you go up market. But as it comes to like the concentration on their product development with customer support responses, it's by far one of the better CRMs / customer management systems out there. And it's really something that Salesforce should have picked up. And finally, I just want to talk about a little bit of the elephant in the room when it comes to Salesforce, which is Data Cloud. On all these other CRMs and all these other systems, they're working with your data in their CRM. But Salesforce, unfortunately, has decided that that's not good enough, and it's just thrown this dumpster in front of every initiative that you have, which is Data Cloud, because you have to purchase it, you have to set it up, you have to integrate it, you have to do all of this mundane work prior to being able to do really anything. And there are so many other ways to take advantage of all of these things. I mean, Salesforce's API, comparatively to all the other CRMs, is significantly better. That is a big thing when it comes to all of this. And to ruin all of that really, really good MCP integration, agentified capabilities through its API, it dumped Data Cloud onto us. And it's terrible. So those are my tips. Hopefully Salesforce follows them. If you have anything that you think you've seen other companies do better than Salesforce when it comes to AI, please drop it in the comments. We would love to hear from you. And I'll catch you next time.